Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Androgens produced by theca cells.
The females are produced by theca cells and they enter the granulosa cells, and with the help of aromatase enzyme these androgens get converted to E2. Androgens in the females are not produced by theca cells and they go into the adipose tissue, and with the help of aromatase enzymes these androgens get converted to E1. So androgens which are produced by theca cells will get converted to E2, whereas androgens which are not produced by theca cells, that is those produced from the adrenals, will get converted to E1. Androgens in females. Androgens, the receptor, the
thank you and thank you for watching.